how to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload photos to Google Drive and share them with anyone using a simple link. So stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss any steps, especially the sharing part, which can be a little tricky if you're new to it. All right, let's dive in. First, open up your browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, whatever you usually use. In the address bar at the top, type in drive.google.com and hit enter. Now, if you're not signed in yet, sign in to your Google account. It'll take just a few seconds. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Google Drive dashboard. This is where all your files, folders, and uploads are stored. If this is your first time using Google Drive, it might look a little empty, but don't worry, we're about to fix that. Now look up to the top left corner of your screen, and you'll see a button that says New. Click that. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose File Upload. This is what we'll use to upload a single photo or multiple photos from your computer. Once you click File Upload, your computer's File Explorer window will open. You'll want to navigate through your folders to find the photo or photos you want to upload. Maybe it's on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or inside a Pictures folder, wherever you've saved it. When you find the image you want, you can either double-click it. You'll notice a small box pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen that shows the upload progress. If you're uploading a high-resolution image or multiple photos, it might take a few extra seconds, so just be patient. Now, once your upload is done, you'll see the photo in your drive. This helps if you want to quickly spot the photo you just added. All right, time to share this photo. Right-click on the image. A little context menu will appear. Go ahead and select Share. A sharing window will pop up with a few different options. By default, your photo is set to Restricted, meaning only people you explicitly invite can access it. If you just want to send someone a link without adding them individually, click where it says Restricted and change it to anyone with the link. This is great if you're sharing photos with friends, family, or coworkers and don't want to deal with permission errors. Right below that, you'll see a drop-down where it says Viewer. This is where you can control what others can do with the photo. If you just want them to look at it or download it, leave it as Viewer. If you want them to leave feedback or notes on the photo, switch it to Commenter. And if you're working on something collaborative, like a shared project or album, you can choose Editor to let them make changes. Once you're happy with those settings, click the Copy Link button. That'll copy the shareable link directly to your clipboard. Then just hit Done, and you're all set. Now you can paste that link into an email, a text message, a social media post, wherever you want to share it. Anyone who gets that link will be able to access the photo based on the permission settings you chose. And that's it. Super simple once you go through it a couple times. If anything was unclear or you ran into a problem, just drop your question in the comments and I'll try to help you out. If this tutorial helped you out today, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, and consider subscribing for more step-by-step videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.